This video, I'll show you how to fix the Robinhood Identity Verification expired issue quickly and easily. If your identity verification has expired, don't worry. You can usually complete the verification process again by following a few simple steps. First, open the Robinhood app and sign in to your account. If you see a notification about expired identity verification, tap on it to view more details. If you don't see a notification, tap your profile icon, then open the menu and go to Settings. Look for an option related to identity verification, account verification, or personal information. Follow the on-screen instructions to restart the verification process. Make sure your full name, date of birth, address, and other personal details are correct and match your official documents. When asked, upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID and make sure the image is well lit, not blurry, and all corners of the document are visible. If Robinhood requests a selfie, complete it in a bright area and keep your face clearly visible. After submitting everything, wait for Robinhood to review your information. This may take some time, so keep an eye on your email and app notifications in case additional information is requested. If the verification continues to fail or remains expired for an extended period, contact Robinhood support through the help section in the app for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.